According to the homeowner, around 2:15 in the morning, someone dressed in police uniform knocked on their door and was shining their flashlight through the home. When they called the police station the following day, there was no documented police calls to her home, and also there was no patrol car visible in the video. In Henrico, Virginia, a man who seems to be very intoxicated is seen trying to open the door of home that is not his.
We got one.
In Milwaukee, Wisconsin, a couple is pounding on someone's door. They seem very upset that no one is answering the door, but the person that lives here stated they do not know these people and believes the couple were trying to break in the home.
FaceTime. I'm losing my patience.
What's up, my guy? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Hi, am I in the right house? I'm looking for Valerie.
Nah, and don't open no fucking door at my house, bro. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I was looking for. Sorry, I got the wrong address, I guess.
Yeah, man, get the fuck away from my door, bro. Opening my goddamn door. What's wrong with you?
Look, man, I'm a cop. I was looking for a friend. Just take it easy.
Hey, well, you don't open up no goddamn door. The fuck is wrong with you?
An elderly man is seen with his dog walking up to someone's home and trying to open their door. When he can't open the door, he goes around the house to the back and then is seen leaving. The woman that lives here thought the man might have been lost and came to the wrong house. What do you think he was doing? Was he being sneaky and trying to break in, or was he just confused? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next video.